fly ball out to straightaway center. Catch made in center. Here comes the runner from third. And he will score as that run breaks the tie and makes this a 2-1 ball game. Shane Robinson will dig in. 0 for 1 in the ball game. And that misses. 2-1. Now here's the pitch. Easy there, big fella. 2-2. 2 runs, 4 hits, and no errors in the ball game for Minnesota. And now he'll reconsider as he looks for a strikeout pitch. And he comes back with a fastball. Strike 3 called, and the inning is over. Omar Infante will stand in to lead things off in the bottom of the 5th. 1-1 on the way from Hughes. Now one hit foul over to the right side as the count moves to 1-2. Here it comes now to Infante. Now this pitch sails up and in, and that leaves him muttering to himself. It's ball 2. Here he comes on 2-2. A full count, 3 balls and 2 strikes. Pitch on the way. And that misses. Ball 4 now. It's a leadoff walk to get the home half of the 5th underway. Alcides Escobar will dig in. He popped out his first time. The 1-1 on its way to Escobar. Now he runs up and gets this one down. Bends down and he barehands it. Throw on to first, so the sacrifice is successful. Jared Dyson will dig in here. 1 for 2. He's singled and grounded out so far. Here's the 1-1. Now a hard hit ball back up the middle. And a diving effort, but this will just tip off his glove, and that's a base hit. Alex Rio will stand in. Base on balls his last time. Runners lead from first and third. Here's the pitch. But this is speared by the first baseman. Alex Gordon. See what he can do here with 2 on and 2 out here in inning number 5.
Let's go, Royals!
1-1 pitch on the way. And the runner's coming home. Swing and a line drive. But this is going to get foul. Now the 1-2 home to Gordon. Here's a hard hit ball that'll be caught out there as short. Almost big trouble there, but he'll wind up stranding 2 as the side is retired. Here he comes. 3-1. Swing and a ball lined hard towards short. And this is going to be extra bases here leading off the 6th. And he will get in there with his first big league hit, a double. Joe Mauer will stand in. 2 hits in 2 trips thus far. And he lays off for a ball. 2-1. Hits are even right now at 5 aside. Think he held up in time, but that becomes moot as it's a called strike 2. Sets the 2-2 pitch. Has to fight to stay alive as this is fouled off to the right. Here comes a 2-2. Swing and a broken bat as this ball's hit on the ground. And taken in out there for the first out. Brian Dozier will stand in again. He lined out his first time around and then was a strikeout victim last time up. A little too tall that time. 3-1 now. Pause. Now the pitch. That's in there, and it'll run the count to full. 3-2. He's set. Now the pitch. And that misses. Ball 4. So it's first and second now with only 1 away. Torrey Hunter will dig in for the 3rd time now. He struck out and bounced out in his first 2 trips. Right down the chute that time. 1-2. Now a swing and a ground ball. And that's a fair ball as this one gets by him at 3rd. The throw to the plate. And the run will come in to score from second as now it's a 3-1 ball game. Trevor Plouffe will stand in again. A couple of ground outs for him on the ledger in his 2 trips so far. And he fires a fastball now for a called strike 2. He waits. Now the pitch. Look out. Don't want to hit him there. It's full 3-2 from the stretch. And here's a changeup in there for a called 3rd strike. And that's the 2nd out of the inning. Kurt Suzuki will dig in now. 1 for 2 to this point. That's in there on the outer half. 1-2 now. Here's a swing and a ground ball. Throw in the dirt, but a good scoop at first saves an error as this side is retired. Salvador Perez will stand in here as he'll get things started for the Royals in their half of the sixth. Some movement now in the Minnesota bullpen as a right-hander's up and throwing. And this is going to be a foul ball. The 2-2. Swing and a ball hit hard on the ground towards second. And that'll get on by into right field for a leadoff single. And now he has some trouble with it in center. So a runner at first now with nobody out. And standing in, here's the first baseman, Eric Hosmer. Here's the 1-2. Look out. That one almost got away from him. 2-2 now. Hughes ready with the 2-2. And he'll stay alive here, but just barely as this ball's chopped foul at the plate, and the count holds at 2-2. Ready with another 2-2. This is a hard hit ball back up the middle, and he's going to have his second hit tonight as it's into center field for a base hit. Charlie Blackmon will stand in. A strikeout victim his first time, and then a base hit last time around. Good lead off his second there. Now the pitch. Now a fastball swung on and missed, and it's full 3-2. The 3-2 pitch. And he takes strike three called on the fastball. One gone. Mike Moustakas will stand in now. He's lined out and hit into a double play in his first two trips. Swing and a miss on the fastball that time. Out number 2. Omar Infante will step in now and see what he can do with 2 on and 2 out here in the sixth. The 1-1 home. A curveball here, but he was waiting for it and sends it in the air to deep left field. And this will find the wall out near the visitors' bullpen. And the runner will score from second. And he will score as well. 2 runs are in on the play, and we are all knotted up at 3 apiece. Alcides Escobar will dig in now. Hitless in his 2 at-bats so far. Now the 3-2 coming from Hughes. And he takes ball 4. So a good job out of the 9-hole in getting on base as we go back to the top of the order. Blaine Boyer trot in from the bullpen as he inherits a tough spot with 2 on and 2 out. Now some action out in the Minnesota pen as it looks like both a lefty and a right-hander are up to throw. Oh, a good at-bat with the runner in scoring position as this is into right center. That's a base hit. And that's going to break our tie as the runner scores from second to make it a 4-3 ball game. Alex Rios will stand in. The 8th batter in the inning as he'll get a shot with 2 on and 2 out. 2-1 to 2-2 now. The 2-2 coming. And they're working the outer half here, but that one's wide for ball 3. Now the 3-2 pitch. And this is hit hard to the right side. Foul. The next 3-2. And he strikes him out here, so he's able to stop the bleeding a bit as this side is retired. Back here at Kauffman Stadium here in Kansas City. Royals leading this one as we get set to start the 7th. But before we do so, let's take a look at our game summary to this point. Now the 3-1 pitch. Well hit high in the air and deep to center field. And the 7th inning starts with a fly out here, 1 away. Danny Santana will stand in. He drove in a run with a sac fly his last time. The Royals get some action in the bullpen going now as the left-hander starts to throw. Now a hard liner toward short. Throw gets him, 2 down. Shane Robinson will dig in. Took a cold 3rd strike his last time. Here's the 1-1 pitch. Now a ball lined towards center field. Base hit. Eduardo Nunez will get another crack, 1 for 3 thus far.
Nunez.